Alright, hi everybody, this is Bill, and I'm going to make some really good chicken nachos. So I always have to, like, you know, do a little twist like this. No, just kidding. But the secret ingredient today is tater tots. Well, I bought tater tots for another recipe, and it was left over in the freezer. So I was like, okay, so what do I do with it? So, pretty toasty. I'm going to make a little plate of them here so you can see. Yum, yum. And these are the ones that are actually, they call them like extra crispy or something. They really are, and they really are good. Okay. Just want enough to like fill my plate, or bowl, or dish, or whatever. Perfect. I didn't even like rehearse that. That was like just because. And then I had some leftover grilled chicken. Might even be stuff that I made, or it might have come from a restaurant. I can't remember. I was in the freezer anyways. Yeah, sometimes the freezer just kind of leaves a little ugliness to things. So if I see they've been in there a while, I just chop them up and add them to something that have a lot of flavor. Ooh, look at that. Looks so beautiful. Paper towel. I'm gonna move this. So it's toasty. Things that are toasty are dangerous, they say. Alright, so I'm going to put some cheese, because you gotta have cheese because they're nachos. Now you can make, you know, your queso or whatever. I just like to melt cheese on it. Whatever you like to do, that's fine. I've had some really good queso. I've made some really good queso, and I've had some not so great. So I just kind of do this and think it's pretty cool. Doesn't it look like fun? Alright. Don't want any stragglers. I'm going to give it a little time in the microwave. Remember, I always say there's more than one setting on the microwave. And just watch it. In the meantime, I took some pickled jalapenos and I thin sliced some red onion. That's going to go right on top. I got me a little sour cream, a little guacamole. I was a little tasting at the grocery store. They make their own guacamole, and I said, tried it last night. It's actually good enough so I could use it on my nachos. So that worked out well. You can do any variants if you want. If you're so inclined, you put a little bacon on top. I would do that, you know. Because I love bacon. But I'm just trying to show you something kind of simple, like stuff you hopefully have around. Maybe I need a glove. Oh. Hey, see? That's what nachos should look like. Alright. So, just want to pick through. I don't want to get a lot of juice. Just want to get some of this. Pickled. Red onions all pickled up nice. Oh. Telling you, man. Some of the best food you'll ever have. Make these look nice and pretty. Gotta balance it out with one more. I mean, what kind of funny. There we go. Now yes, I do understand that, hey, no, it's okay. I hate when they have the stem part. Yeah, I know you can't eat it with your fingers. Well, you could, but no, I understand. But a fork works really well, or a spoon. So I just wanted to take what I'm going to do. I get my sour cream to cooperate. I'm going to do me the 2 dollops of sour cream. Never was really good at opening these little things. Oh my goodness gracious. This is actually some pretty chunky. I mean, it's got some nice pieces of avocado in it. In fact, it's on sale. I might go back and get more today. And I just want to go, yeah, right in the middle. It's like a banana split or a sundae. Really good. So are you jealous? Do you not think that doesn't look like absolutely wonderful? I'm telling you, you know, so you're cooking the tater tots for like 20 minutes, putting it all together, microwave it for a minute. Oh, look, you got me. Wasn't that easy? So keep impressing all your friends with how talented you are for my recipes. Like always, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate you. Keep watching, keep commenting. I'll be back with another great video. Have a great day.